Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Subhash Salgar. I am graduated in BCS in MGM's College of CS and IT, Nanded. So today my topic is access modifier in Java. So there are two types of access modifiers in Java. First one is the access modifiers and second one is a non-access modifier. The access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor or class. We can change the access level of fields, constructors, methods and class by applying the access modifiers on it. There are four types of Java access modifier. First one is a private, second one is a default, third one is a protected, and last one is a public. So first one is a private. The private access level of private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside. So second one is a default. The the access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Third one is a protected. Protected, the access level of a protected modifier is within the package outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Fourth one is a public. The public access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. Here we so first one is a private. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. Simple example of private access modifier. The in the example we have created two class A and simple. A class contains private data member and private method. We are accessing these private members from outside the class. So there is a compile time error. So role of private constructor. If you make any class constructor private, you cannot create the instance of that class from outside the class of example. So second one is a default. If you don't use any modifier, thank you everyone.